In this video, I will show you how to transfer money from Worldcoin directly to your bank account step by step. This method is easy to follow and perfect for beginners, so make sure to watch until the end. First, open the World app on your phone and log into your account. Once you are inside the app, locate your Worldcoin balance. Now tap on send and you will see few different options appears, and from here select withdraw. Choose Worldcoin like WLD. After selecting WLD, two options will appear. Tap on the first option which says bank transfer. Now carefully enter your bank account details. Make sure all the information is correct like bank name, account number, account holder name. Once everything looks good, confirm the transfer. After submitting the request, your money will be sent for processing. Normally, it takes up to 2 business days for the Worldcoin funds to arrive in your bank account. And that's it. That's how you transfer money. I hope you like the video. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.